Hi everyone, it's me, Mystic Mandy. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you a little bit of a garden vlog tour. So I'm really excited to show you guys because, guys, there's something digging in the yard down there where I was filming the birds. Down at the edge of the property there before it starts to get tall and where the water is. There's like deep holes, like it looks like it has to be big, whatever's digging it, like it has to be like at least a dog paw size big because it's pretty deep. Dad says it was a possum, but there's a bird that just flew down and I've been trying to call him down. I got a leather glove to see if I can try to get a big hawk to come down, and my dad's like, you're not gonna get it to come down because they don't trust people easily. And I'm like, I want to try to get it with some like lured meat or something, and I'm gonna try to call down one of the hawks and, like, you know, just let it become friendly with us. And Dad's like, if you do that, I'm gonna shoot a brick of gold. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna hold you to that. So I think I can do it because I whistle to the birds and they look at me, so that must mean something. You can let a girl dream, can't you? Okay guys, so I got these roses here for my dad. He wanted another rose bush to put by the grave. So yeah, I thought these looked really good. That was one of the better looking ones. Yeah, so these are supposed to be Radco pink, very vibrant. Over here, guys, I already got this planted. I had to get it planted right when we got home, but this is a blueberry bush. I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put it. I just had to get it into something bigger because the container it was in was that small one down there, and this is obviously, you know, twice the size. So here's the tag. And yeah, I've been taking care of this one for a few days now. Didn't really have to water it too much because we've been getting rain like crazy, but the morning sky is awfully beautiful here, have to say, guys. Okay, and we have down here, I believe this is the Navajo berries. Yeah. And this one looked really nice. This one's sprouting out nicely. So yeah, I leave this bucket out here to catch any rainwater, so I won't have to use, you know, the hose. And then I got a peach tree, Alberta peach. Yeah, that's the peach tree right there, guys. And then over here I got a Gala apple tree. Yeah, and this one looked really good, healthy. So they say, you know, you have to plant them in pairs. I'm hoping since they're both a fruit tree, they'll help each other out. My dad says I have to get them planted somewhere on the edge down there, so hopefully that's, you know, maybe if we're lucky, you know, that could be our little fruit center since I got watermelons growing over there. I like to make a wild strawberries, but we're still trying to convince Dad on that one, so we'll see how that happens. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's a beautiful morning. Got some flowers there that need to bloom up. Still no blooms, but all this rain, it's been kind of chilly, so none of the roses have bloomed either. So hopefully they're just taking their time for, you know, slow development. This tree's dead, guys. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can turn the brightness up. You know, this tree's gone, guys, and we gotta get it because the branches keep falling and big ones fall, so I better get out from under it.